Creating the side menu footer. So over here will be a div with a class of side dash menu underscore footer. Then inside this we have a div with a class of side dash menu underscore footer dash links. Inside it we have a URL with a class of side dash menu underscore footer dash list. Inside it we have li with a class of side dash menu underscore footer dash item. Then we have our a tag. The href is not going anywhere with a class of side dash menu underscore footer dash link. Then this one will be the about. So now I'll copy this one from here. Paste it 10 more times. Okay. So now we are going to change certain stuff from here. So the first one is help. This one we press. This one be API. This one be jobs. Then we have privacy. And terms. We have locations. Then we have top account. We have hashtag. Then we have language. Okay, so now let's remove the rest. I think it's okay. Remove this one from here. Okay. So now the next thing I want us to work on is the copyright. So this one will be a span with a class of side dash menu underscore footer dash copyright. So this one will be ampersand copy then semicolon. Then open up your PHP tag, then close it here. Then this one will echo date and y for the year, then semicolon. Then this one will be Instagram from Facebook. So now go back to your browser, just refresh it. Okay, so now this is what we have. So let's style it so that it look nice. First thing, copy this one from here. Then over here, dot, then paste it here. Give it display of flex direction to be column, then gap to be 16 ps. Then the second one is the links, which is this one. Copy this one from here, then over here dot, then paste it here. Give it display of flex. Now the next one is the item. I want it to be display block, so this one be dot, then paste it here. So this one be display inline block. So now let's go back and just refresh it. So as you can see, this is what we have. Now the next thing I want us to work on is the item, the links, and the copyright. So copy this one and paste it here. Dot, then paste it here. comma, then dot, side footer, then comma, then dot, side dash menu underscore underscore footer dash link, which is this one. So over here, we'll give it font size to 11 ps, then font dash weight to be 400, then color to be this one. Let's go back to our browser, just refresh it. Okay, then but this one over here, I want it to be all caps. So in order for us to do that, it will be copy this one from here, then this one we dot, then paste it here. Okay, over here will be text transform to be uppercase. Okay, this one is too close to each other, so let's give it some padding or bulletin. So this one be dot, side menu underscore footer item, then column not, then this one inside it will be column last of type, then column after, then this one give it a margin of 0, then 0.5 ps, then the content to be slash 00b7, that's bulletin. Okay, so this one be 00b7. Now let's go back and refresh it. Okay, so now remove this one be 00b7. Okay, so here's it. So you can play around with the values if you want. So now in the next video, what we are going to work on is the story container.